Multiple choice questions on machine design, part 7. Question number 61. In clamp coupling, power is transmitted by means of option A, friction force, option B, shear resistance, option C, crushing resistance, option D, tear resistance. The correct answer is option A, friction force. Explanation: in clamp coupling, power is transmitted by means of frictional force and a key. Question number 62. The taper on quarter is usually option A 1 in 24, option B 1 in 8, option C 1 in 100, option D 1 in 200. The correct answer is option A 1 in 24. Let us see the explanation. The taper on cauteries usually varies 1 in 48 to 1 in 24. So the correct answer is option A 1 in 24. Question number 63. Which of the following key transmits power in a taper shaft? Option A berth key, option B Woodruff key, option C Kennedy key, option D tangent key. The correct answer is option B Woodruff key. Explanation: Woodruff keys are used for tapered shaft. So the correct answer is option B Woodruff key. Question number 64. The product of the tangential force acting on the shaft and its distance from the axis of the shaft, that is radius of shaft, is known as option A bending moment, option B twisting moment, option C torsional rigidity, option D none of the above. The correct answer is option B twisting moment. Let us see the explanation. The product of the tangential force acting on the shaft and its distance from the axis of the shaft is known as twisting moment. Question number 65. The type of joint used in cycle chain is option A quarter joint, option B knuckle joint, option C give and quarter joint, option D riveted joint. The correct answer is option B knuckle joint. Let us see the explanation. Knuckle joint is a type of mechanical joint used in structures to connect two intersecting cylindrical whose axes lie on the same plane. It permits some angular movement between the cylindrical rods. It is specially designed to withstand tensile loads. So the correct answer is option B knuckle joint. Question number 66. The type of coupling used for high torque and low speed is option A muff coupling, option B bushed pin flexible coupling, option C disc coupling, option D Oldham's coupling. The correct answer is option D Oldham's coupling. Let us see the explanation. An Oldham coupling has three discs, one coupled to the input, one coupled to the output, and a middle disc that is joined to the first two by a tongue and groove. The tongue and groove on one side is perpendicular to the tongue and groove on the other. The middle disc rotates around its center at the same speed as the input and output shafts. Its center traces a circular orbit twice per rotation around the midpoint between input and output shafts. Often spring or used to reduce backlash of the mechanism. So the correct answer is option D, Oldham's coupling. Question number 67. Dash permits the motion to be transmitted from the gearbox output shaft to the pinion shaft of the differential, irrespective of the inclination of the drive shaft. Option A, riveted joints. Option B, welded joints. Option C, slip joints. Option D, universal joints. The correct answer is option D, universal joints. Let us see the explanation. Universal joints permit the motion to be transmitted from the gearbox output shaft to the pinion shaft of the differential, irrespective of the inclination of the drive shaft. So the correct answer is option D, universal joints. Question number 68. In a butt or off-lap coupling, the sleeve is normally fitted to the shafts by means of dash. Option A, saddle key. Option B, feather key. Option C, Woodruff key. Option D, sunk key. The correct answer is option A, saddle key. Let us see the explanation. In a butt or off-lap coupling, the sleeve is normally fitted to the shafts by means of saddle key. So the correct answer is option A, saddle key. Question number 69. The following coupling is used to connect two parallel shafts having distance between the axes. Option A, muff coupling. Option B, flange coupling. Option C, Oldham's coupling. Option D, Hooke's joint. The correct answer is option C, Oldham's coupling. Let us see the explanation. Coupling is used to connect two parallel shafts having distance between the axes is called Oldham's coupling. So the correct answer is option C, Oldham's coupling. Question number 70. Taper on the cutter and slot is provided. Option A, on both the sides. Option B, on one side only. Option C, on none of the sides. Option D, none of the above. The correct answer is option B, on one side only. Let us see the explanation. Taper on the cutter and slot is provided on one side only. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe my channel for more updates.